What's up? Welcome back to Aukidding. And I think I better test this diff now that it's got a locker. I'm not going to go too hard because I need to top up the auto fluid, but I don't want to top it up yet because I want to put an auto cooler on it. So let's see how it goes. See if she twins or pushes the carpet and I go straight into my toolboxes or gas myself out. Let's see how this turns out, shall we? That's pretty crap, but I've got a tub of oil over to the side. It spins and twins. Oh yeah, I wasn't near it, but I was going to start chewing up me. I was going to start chewing up my carpet again, like I did in Malta. Oh, I just grabbed it. Okay, so she skid. She didn't rev up as hard as I thought it was going to rev up. So we'll have to play with it. Kids are probably going to come out and yell at me next. The wheels squealed a little bit. They're home. But should be enough power to send on the racetrack or skid pan days or motor corners, wherever you're going to see this weapon. Pretty happy with it. It's only cost me a couple of grand so far. Cheap fun instead of $2 worth of tyres every event. Not bad, not bad. What? Hey? What stinks? What stinks?
I know what you did!
I didn't do anything.
You did, I heard it!
No. It was the fan belt. What smoke? What?
It's another one! It goes back! Another one. See?
There's no smoke. That's just fog. See? It's fog.
That's smoke from Aukidding.
No, it's fog from the fog machine because it's cloudy. See? This is a lesson. Don't do skids in your shed when the family's home because you get in trouble. Are you kidding? Gets a new race seat. Why not put a Nismo seat in your Falcon? You put a Holden engine in your Falcons, put a Nismo seat. Thank you, Jason.
Okay.
Okay, next mission. Got the new Nismo bloody Auto Technica knockoff, whatever bloody race seat. Going to Aukidding. So we'll show you how to undo an Allen key with a Torx bit because I don't have the right size Allen key bit for the 1/2-inch drive or 1/4 inch, whatever it is. Let's get into it. Now, I did loosen them first. Oh, a couple of dirty cigarette lighter. Because I didn't want to strip this. But now I'll get the rattle gun because I'm lazy. And just go slowly. It actually is a Torx bit at the front. Get out of town. There you go. Do have the right front. Who'd have thunk that one too? What a surprise, Mackie's got the right tools for a job for once. Alright, let's pull this heavy bugger out. See how easy it is to change the rails onto the bloody race seat. Have a look at it. Oof, in the sunlight. Amazing. Bend your knees, Mackie, bend your knees. Oh, that's just lovely under there, under the seat. Oh no. One Ferrari seat. almost a hard decision because I mean that seat was so comfy. But let's have a look. Oh God, there's a bloody walnut there. Stop it. So I've sat the seat in, had a bit of a look around. What I'm going to do is I'm going to undo this bottom plate and see if I can marry that to this so I can still move backwards and forwards and adjust my bum up and down. So let's see how I go. Just bring you up to speed. As you saw, I chopped all the other arms down. Definitely not going to use them now because this is all adjustable. Was going to keep the seat belt. We'll see how that goes in a minute. But I've worked out that these will work. Just re-drilled them. I've cut our little washer down using all the old bolts off that Duva. And I'm pretty sure they're going to work out too. If not, I'll glue a bit of metal on there to make the bottom plates work. So, continuing on, let's do this. Okay, so I thought I'd better fix these bottom ones because there's not much meat on them, but the top doesn't move anymore and it just misses out, so I'm going to notch a bit of that and reuse some of this nice 3mm plate. I've drilled a hole already. That will go under there and then I'll weld it all together with the hot glue gun. I'll do the same there. Oh, and you thought I was dodgy. Look at that. It's double braced now. Never mind about that, but that's factory Falcon, so she'll be right. I'll get the hot glue gun now and I'll melt those on together. And if there's ever an accident, I'll make big ones there, but we'll never worry about that. Where is it? Welder. Oh, there you are. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. She's all glued in. You thought I was going to do it dodgy. Look, she's got twice as many bolts holding it in. Never mind about down here. She'll be right. The back where my fat ass is. So double bolted, bigger surface, all welded up. Still smouldering, yeah. So just wetted her down, even if that's a word, but she'll be right. Give it a quick little spray and hopefully it fits because it is the original rail that I haven't modified. And I've kept the trim on it. Ooh, fancy. Ooh, get in there. Not bad, not bad. I haven't even seen if this works. Oh, look at that. No bad back now. I'll be taking orders to fit race seats and harnesses and all the other stuff for cars, so hit me up. Would you let me install your stuff? Would you ride with me? I don't know, let us know what you think. I'm driving it, so I've got to make it safe enough for me and for the scrutineers to pass. Well, there you go, kids. Seats in, I've got plenty of room up here. All my interior lights work. Amazing. Sorry. Yep, got a bit of a circus tent up here. Don't worry, but plenty of helmet space. Oof. Look at that. That's one Mackie fist. That's a big fist. And I think I've got to pull the bloody seat out to put the harnesses in. But saying that, I do have the standard thing, because I've got the standard rail, I've got a standard seatbelt I could use. Alright, let's have a look at the harnesses and I'll do some shots of it outside because it looks pretty cool, because it's half polished. But I've got room there, but when you're doing I'm going to be hitting my legs, and I'm not about to lower the seat, because it is lowered, because I've got all the adjustments. She full low specs. So we're getting there, and I think I've got to rip the seat back out to put the bloody harnesses in. So that's a bit of a bugger. Speaking of harnesses, let's get onto it. Yes.